In this video today, I'll be showing you how to fix a Scion TC rear hatch handle. But first, we're going to need some super glue and baking soda. Now you're going to take your piece that is broken and start applying super glue. In the video, I was using the pin super glue. I do not recommend that because it wasn't easy trying to get the super glue on. Now that you have finished applying super glue, put it back in the spot where it belongs, and you might want to put more super glue around it for more support. And now it's time to pour baking soda on it. Make sure it touches the super glue, and if you want, you can put more super glue around it. After the super glue has dried, which is about a minute, dump all the excess baking soda in the sink. And you can see here how strong it is. Also use the baking soda and super glue for small cracks like so. This is the end of the video. I hope this video helped you. Please give this video a thumbs up, and for more how-to videos, click that subscribe button.